Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code Mind. Today we will discuss Python MCQs. It's part 2. Part 1 link I will put in the description box. So today we are going to start with the Python MCQs. So let's start. It's our first question. These are the formats which are asked in the coding while you sit in the company's interviews or company's exams. So these are very important questions or the format for printing. So our first question is, what will be the output of the following Python code? Print hello, and in a curly braces you written the variable name, that is name1, and name2 in the curly braces. Dot format name1 is equals to foo, comma name2 is equals to bin. So name1 and name2 are the variables in which we had assigned the values foo and bin, and here we are printing the same. So what will be the output? Hello, foo and bin. So name1 will be replaced with a foo and name2 will be replaced with the bin. So our answer will be hello, foo and bin. Next question. What will be the output of the following Python code? So print hello, and here in the curly braces we have written 0 not r, and in a second curly braces we have written 0 not s. Same dot format foo and bin. So what this meaning? So here 0 means the first one, this is the 0th index and this is the first index. This is first index and this is 0th index. So 0th index means foo and not r means as it is with the quotes. So our first output will be foo with the quotes, whereas in 0 not s means without quotes. So what will be our output? B will be output hello foo with the quotes and foo without quote. Fine. Next question. What will be the output of the following Python code? Print hello, and here it is 0 in a curly braces, 1 in a curly braces. So simply index will be like this, but if we observe here it is the bracket, means this whole thing foo and bin is in the one bracket. So this whole is considered as a 0 index. Inside this 0 index it is first index, it is 0th index, sorry, and it is 1 index, but inside that 0 index this whole will be considered as a 0 index. So what will be the output for this? Hello 0th index and 1 index. There is no 1 index for this, there is only 0th index for this. So definitely the output will be your error. So our correct answer is error. Fine. The next question is same what I explained earlier. This is, it is in the bracket, so this whole will be considered as, just a minute, this whole will be considered as a 0th index. In this 0th index, this is 0th index and this is 1 index. So what it is printing? Inside this 0th is printing, so it will print foo, and inside this 0th index 1 is printing, so it will print the bin. So our output is hello, foo and bin. So output is hello, foo and bin. Okay. The next question is, what will be the output of following Python code? Simple, this is very easy question. Here it is 0th, so this is 0th index, this is 1 index and second index, because this is all the three are not in one bracket, so it will be considered as a separate 0, 1 and 2 index. So 0th index will be printed, so simply we will print the 2. 1 index will be printed, so 10 will be printed, and 2th index will be printed, so 12 will be printed. So our output is the sum of 2 and 10 is 12. This will be replaced by 2, this will be replaced with 10, and this will be replaced with 12. 10 is 12. So that is option A. The next question, what will be the output of the following Python code snippet? So print the sum of 0th B. So whatever the 0th index, convert into the binary number and then print that one. Whatever in the first index, convert into hexadecimal. X means hexadecimal, B means binary, and whatever in the second index, convert into octal. O means your octal. So this is your 0th index, this is 1 index, and this is 2th index. So what we need to? We need to convert the 0th index, that is 2. The binary of the 2 is your 1 and 0. Okay. So this is the binary of 2. Now we need to convert the 1 index 1, which is your 10, into an hexadecimal. So hexadecimal of 10 is A. So A will be printed, and is 2, the octal of the 2 is your 14. So 14 will be printed. So what will be the output? The sum of 10 and A is 14. So this is our option B is the answer. Fine. This is one new trick. What will be the output of the following Python code? Here we need to separate it with the comma. So how we will separate this one with the comma? So from the last 3 digits, after 3 digits, we will put a comma. So for example, here is 111, 222, and 3, 3, 3, and 4. So counting from the last, we will put after third digit, we will put the comma. So 1, 2, 3, we will put comma here. 1, 2, 3, we will put comma here. 1, 2, 3, we will put comma here. So what's the option is matching? The first option is matching. So first option is our answer. The second question, again we need to convert the same thing, same question, just observe here, here is it is in the string one. Sorry. It is in the string one, string format. So it will definitely can't be put it in the string, so it will produce an error. So output will be your error. The next question is with the dollar symbol. So dollar symbol cannot be used here, like in the comma we had put it after 3 digit, we put the comma, but here we can't put the dollar symbol after the 3 digit, so it will also show an error. We can't use the dollar symbol here. The next hash symbol, whenever there is a hash symbol, you have to remember that whatever it is, we have to write it in the same format. Whatever it is, we have to write in the same format if it is hash. So our answer it is as it is, which is in the dot format. That's all for today. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. And please do the comment if you like the video or if you don't understand anything. And also if you want any video on a particular topic, please do comment on the comment section so that I will try to make that video on that particular topic. Thank you.